Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, remove the batteries or unplug the scale to cut power, and set it on a stable work surface. Once done, flip it over and find all visible screws and plastic tabs. These hold the shell together. Use a small Phillips for screws and a thin, flat tool to pry clips gently. Work one side at a time to avoid cracking the case. Make sure to keep fasteners in a container so nothing gets lost as you open the housing. Once the cover is lifted, you'll see the display ribbon, load cells, and battery compartment. Take a quick photo so you can restore connections later. You should release ribbon cables by flipping the small clamp up or sliding the connector straight out. Do not pull on wires. If adhesive holds foam pads or sensors, peel back slowly and use isopropyl on a cotton swab to loosen sticky residue. Make sure to support the glass top so it doesn't drop while you work. Now you remove the load cells or the weighing platform assembly. Unfasten mount screws, lift each sensor straight out, and keep them aligned for reassembly. Once removed, clean connectors and mating surfaces, then reassemble in reverse, ensuring ribbons and clamps seat fully before closing the case. Install fresh batteries and place the scale on a level floor to test. If readings are off, calibrate per directions. Troubleshooting tip: if the display
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.